To our, can you believe it, our last Tween Craft video for the summer of 2021. But that's okay, just because summer's over doesn't mean the fun at the library's over. We'll keep doing cool stuff all through the school year. But you know what, that does remind me, it is almost the end of the Mayor Summer Reading Club, which the last day you can log your reading to win prizes at the library is 24th of July. And then on the 31st of July, which is the following Saturday, last day in July, we're gonna have a block party at the library. So don't forget to come on down and join us in case you just want one more big last bang for the summer before you gotta go back to school. But don't worry, the library's here all year long. But what are you gonna get this week? Well, I'm glad you asked. Because this week you are going to become the French artiste, also known as Janelle. You like it? No? Okay. Well, fine. Well, you will get to be an artist of whatever style you want. String graffiti art on canvas. Okay, so what you're going to do, come to the library, and here's what you're going to get in your pack for the library this week. You are going to get a blank white canvas, some string, a paintbrush, and 2 little tablets. Now, these are not giant Smarties or Sweet Tarts. Please do not eat them. They will taste disgusting. But you are going to want to put them in water to turn them into watercolor. Because really, all these are the little pellets that come in the watercolor kits. All right, so the very first thing you're going to want to do is fill up a cup of water. And unlike last week, do not drink this water. You are going to want to put your watercolor tablet in the water, and it'll probably have to sit for about 10 minutes. We're going to keep letting it sit, and then we're going to put it aside for just a moment so we can get started on the next part. Then you're going to want to take your white easel and unwrap it. That's pretty easy. Then you're going to take your string and tape it to the back. So you might need to have a little bit of tape at your house. Now you're going to want to make sure that the string is really tight, because if it's loose, your art isn't going to look as cool. So make sure you get it really tight. To put onto my canvas, and I've made it as tight as possible. Now if you flip it over, it's not very exciting, but that's okay because that's the back side. It's the front side that you want to make sure looks really good. And now that we've got all of our string added, we can go ahead and start to paint, as long as our paint tablets are ready. Let's check on them. I have got this beautiful looking orange. Kind of looks like orange juice. Don't drink it, kids. I have got this great looking blue. Looks like blue coconut, but don't drink it. And now let's see if our pink one, if it has dissolved. It still needs a little bit more, so we're going to save this one as our last one. But it's looking pretty good too. And I have one that's just plain water, and we're going to use that to wash off our brush when we need to. Now the fun part comes, guys. All we have to do is paint within our lines. Have to let it dry. Well, Miss Janelle used a little fan because I'm a little impatient and I didn't want to wait. But if you decide to wait, that's fine too. Now I am ready to unveil and see what our artwork looks like. I'm going to start taking the tape very gently off of the back. There it goes. What do you think? Do you think that you could make one that looks better than Miss Janelle? Nah. Okay, fine. I bet you could. So what you're going to need to do is come by the library to pick up your kit so that you can make your own string graffiti art. And keep up the good reading, and I'll see you the next time you visit the library. Bye-bye.